All right, why is this convertible folding futon flying off the shelves on Amazon? Everyone is buying this. Why are they buying it? First and foremost, straight up, the value of this is insane. I'm gonna be straight up. This isn't like the greatest couch in the history of the world, but for the number that's on the screen right now, this is insane. Like the fact that you can even find this brand new, it's crazy. It's crazy. So very nice couch, very easy to put together. I love just the nice little touch. You don't even need to use these, but they've got these nice little armrest pillows right here that can be used for other stuff. Let me just show you them up right here. Nice little armrest. You want to lean on it. You could even just, if you're just sitting here like this. Also, another thing that I think is amazing. This comes forward. If you want 2 cup holders, that's insane. This is insane. Like the value of this is it's just crazy. Now, the other vibe that I really love is it folds down all the way down into a bed, or you can even come up here, and there we go. We got a nice relaxed vibe. So you're leaning back here. Now I got the desk right behind me, but honestly, that's a pretty good vibe. You can lean your head. Nice relaxed vibe right here. Lean back, not fully a bed, but just to give you a full vibe, just to give you an understanding of the size. I am 5'11", and with my head right here, my feet barely hang off the edge. This is just great. I see why it's flying off the shelves. Highly recommend.